L-għada taċ-ċerimonja tal-ftuħ tal-Presidenza Maltija fiċ-ċentru tal-ġurnalisti fil-Palazz tal-President ħafna kellhom kelma waħda. Id-diskors tal-Prim Ministru Malti spikka għar-relevanza tiegħu fir-realtajiet tal-lum filwaqt li ma naqsitx referenza lejn il-fatt li pajjiżna se jkun il-pajjiż Mediterranju li l-aħħar se jkollu l-Presidenza għal perjodu kemm xejn twil. Marija Bzara, ġurnalista minn Aġenzija tal-Aħbarijiet Griega Ethnos, stqarret li l-Presidenza Mediterranja bħal dik Maltija tifhem aħjar l-isfidi li hemm brabta mal-migrazzjoni.
To me, it's also very important that a Mediterranean country has a presidency because now I have a fellow partner that understands the situation in Greece, in Italy, in the countries that have that problem too. So I was amazed listening to Prime Minister Muscat saying about people fed up with crisis and that we have to do something to return to the people and to explain to them what is exactly what has been done and what we have to do.
Dinja waħda mill-isfidi li qed tajn il-mowġa ta' partiti populisti fl-Ewropa u d-diskors tal-Prim Ministru Malti spikka wkoll għaliex wieġeb direttament għal din ir-realtà.
One quote that really touched me was that the answer to populism is governing. This is a big truth, so we need to do that and to show the contrary to the populists.
Il-ġurnalista tal-Wall Street Journal Victoria Dendrino innutat kif fil-waqt li l-migrazzjoni tibqa' priorità ewlenija tul is-sitt xhur ta' Presidenza Maltija se jispikka żvilupp mill-lat politiku.
Well, I think it's really interesting. You can see how important migration is going to be for the next 6 months. It's clearly a very important issue for the Maltese presidency, but also for the EU as a whole. So it will be interesting after 6 months where we were focusing more maybe on the political developments with Brexit to shift back to that as a priority. But also that Brexit will maintain one of the main issues because obviously the UK is going to trigger Article 50 and we're going to start dealing with the deal, whatever that is, afterwards.
Iż-żewġ ġurnalisti nnutaw li l-Presidenza Maltija se ssir f'mument kruċjali għall-Unjoni Ewropea, żmien li l-Unjoni Ewropea trid tirriġenera ruħha.
The efforts they're going to try to do is bring back unity because, what we've seen over the past year has been a lot of backlash towards the EU, a lot of some issues with populism. So I think they want to focus on unity and on connecting again with the people of the EU.
Maltese presidency is totally the opposite, as I understood from yesterday. So it's very, very important times, and I think that a small country, a small Mediterranean country like Malta, could give a different aspect to the whole Europe about what we would have to do about the future.